Sir Fred TV, the most authentic channel.
Come from a combination of Katanga and then Unity Hall.
Sulemana. It's Kevin Obeng really got Zakaria to beat there, and so somebody get a throw in. The attempt by Medeama SC to make sure that at least they have the players back in the 18-yard box. But
stay creed in the final third. That is what wins games, if you are not able to outscore your opponent.
Here comes Sulemana, got a pass there from Salim Adams. Looking to advertise something into the box there. Medeama looking for a lot of spaces. Manuel Mate drops the ball down. Sulemana, he's going to pick this one. And yeah, in the left full back position has been really working out for Medeama. It's a good block there from Kote. But again, it was a very intelligent play there from Salim Adams.
So quite surprising, Dogo Yakubu couldn't identify his surrounding.
Yeah, we talk about the goalkeeper there, Felix Che, for Medeama SC. Very exciting young goalkeeper for the side. He's making his 15th appearance. And Manuel Mate! Oh! It is Medeama SC! Manuel Mate makes it 1-0 for the home side. Not expecting that, but Manuel Mate will be pretty much excited. That was a wicked deflection then. Medeama wouldn't mind, and Manuel Mate can celebrate. Medeama won, Kotoko nil.
Exactly what they were looking for. Was just looking for the drive, and look at that, somebody complaining that should have been a foul, and they picked it up, Manuel Mate, and it came right off the shoulder. This man there, Kelvin Obey, in between himself and Antu. There's no way Jerry could have anything on that. Henry Antu, wicked deflection, and Medeama would be happy getting a goal. Against the round of play.
He left full back, and anytime he's charging forward, he's looking for space there. And it's always going to be Asante Kotoko conceding yet another set piece right in front of the 18-yard box, and Kevin Obeng is the one who was brought down.
So clearly, Henry Antu, this is what I spoke about. Medeama would want to work around the robust and ragged nature of Kotoko's defense. Antu, Zakaria, clearly the extension of the...
Do you need money, but your friends and family can't lend you any? Don't worry. Click on the link below.
The excesses would always give free kicks away.
Well, the young goalkeeper, Zidari, picked the ball just in his own net and just picked two against Samatex. He's picked up yet another one here. Salim is always going to fancy this one, isn't he?
That's quite closer, any one of them. But I'm sure Salim Adams knows that from this territory, he must be able to hit the target at least.
He's done that a couple of times. As is Dari trying to make sure the wall is pretty much intact. And there you have it. It's going to be Suleiman that drops it down. Salim Adams! But not what is such a way. The goal scorer Manuel Mate.
That was quite a poor decision there.
Yeah, that's the foul there by Yawase. He's gone down with a challenge of Joe. Again, you talk about the work rate of Asante Kotoko. Yakubu Dogo is making his fourth appearance there for Asante Kotoko, the Premier League.
It's quite surprising playing him from the flanks again. Hasn't really been a featured play there. Maybe right behind the target man is where he fancies his chances. Playing ahead of Tamidu Akwa, Philip Amo. Babaya was quite a surprise. That's another waste of the set piece by Medeama again.
blocking almost all the supplies maybe to get the ball back into the box. Kote, and he wins it, not able to recover quickly to pick it up now. And Suleiman will push it out, and Medeama will keep possession once again. The move in yellow. Now beginning to attack Asante Kotoko. So it's going to be, I would say, looking to advertise something into the box there, and it's been brought down. The referee says it's definitely going to be a foul. Once again, Kotoko giving very needless fouls, and a yellow card once again. And Asante Kotoko have had to get 2 players. And Yakubu Dogo, he had a foul on same player. I would say he was not penalized, and this time he has to take the yellow card. Asante Kotoko have 2 players been shown the yellow card after just 26 minutes.
That's quite a late challenge there from Yakubu Dogo to at least take it calm, build up and get into the final areas. You can see the complaint from Samba O'Neill when Saka Dawda lost the ball, leading to this particular foul. He needs to hold up play. He needs to go, have a go at Fatal Sulemana. It was quite missing from the modern game players who would actually take the ball to the defenders. One of the days you trust Castella will not retreat.
Well, Manuel Mante would love to celebrate this goal, especially seeing that Medeama would have a chance to get something out of this game here. And they have a set piece just right closer to the 18-yard box once again. Asante Kotoko will have to find a way to defend the lines. It's been a very difficult moment. Asante Kotoko really failed to have a shot at goal. See a lot of moving yellow players in the box for Asante Kotoko to defend this one. Medeama has scored 5 goals in the last 5 matches. And it's going to be their 6th game, and so they've scored 6 goals in the last 6 games. So Asante Kotoko would have to find a way. Fuzzy Taylor behind the ball, lifts one into the box, and oh, that is brilliant! Absolutely phenomenal from Kevin Obeng. 2-0 for Medeama.
That was a very brilliant delivery there once again. Fuzzy Taylor whipping it in, an outswinger with his right foot, and Kelvin Obeng working his neck muscles after that leap to connect beautifully beyond the ridge of Aziz Arinadari. Look at that delivery. He stepped up, and that was it there, close to the goalkeeper. But he stretched his elastic. If it wasn't too close to him, you can blame the marking was quite poor inside the ball. Zakaria Fuseni losing his man, but Kelvin Obeng was always going to get that on target, and Medeama have a cushion.
Have a long way out in this game. They haven't really been on their groove there. Yakubu Dogo and trying to let one to Morfin Donsu. He's been more like a ghost in the game. Hasn't really seen plenty of the ball. Just right in front of the 18-yard box of the home side, and Asante Kotoko, Zakaria bit into it once again. Salam with the ball here. Medeama looking for a third, and so they're still going to have Enrianzu coming in, and Salam holding on to the ball just in the 18-yard box. Looking for a bit of support there on the line, and gets a corner kick.
That is clearly not happy with that aerial deliveries. Who was the ball to his feet?
So I probably want to say that Asante Kotoko missing the likes of Albert Amwa. Of course, they didn't really come into the picture with percentage of ball possession now to the advantage of the home side. And they have another cushion here. Can they get a third? It has happened. Salim Adams has made it 3-0 for Medeama inside 34 minutes. And this is becoming a nightmare for Asante Kotoko. This is a game of hallucination for Asante Kotoko, and he can't find the answers.
He's being battered by his former club. Absolutely brilliant play down the right-hand side of attack. Shrugged up that. Press from Henry Ansu. Needed a slide. Calvin Obeng knew exactly where to find Salim Adams. And once he got into the penalty area, it was laid on the plate for him. Tapping home shouldn't have been a problem. And that is brilliant. Emmanuel Cote.
Another win for Medeama. That was what they were looking for, and Obeng with the second goal. And Cote has also been A little bit lethargic in the game, especially with his position. Morphine done so with the control here. And Dogo in the box and looking to turn on the left. Dogo! Once again, it's to the crossbar and it's a corner kick with a fingertip to it by Felix Chi.
Fantastic save there by Felix Chi. Sharp reflexes, brilliant play from Dogo. Look at that. That's quite a leap to make a touch to that ball. I'm sure it would have grazed over the crossbar.
Well, Sulemana once again has been a very strong force for Medeama in this Premier League season. There's a lot of weight on him in terms of his deliveries into the box and how they have to push it very short in the game here. Sulemana drops one into the box and so it's going to be picked up here. Medeama not in a hurry to get the ball in, really trying to still maintain their composure. Mubarak, Yusuf. Kotoko really having a limited number of players who scored 33 goals in the league. Samba O'Neill is a leading player in the game. He's now playing as a holding midfielder. It's going to be a little bit of a notch on Hubert Joe by Mante.
The outstretched elbow there from Mante, giving that foul away.
Ansu. Amwa. Once again, it's a very poor play there from Amwa after doing almost everything right. Trying to go in with a foul here, but Salam would have to strike off the attack, and it's going to be Medeama once again, and Salim Adams make it 4! A brace for the young man, and Asante Kotoko once again conceding a very, very clumsy goal. Ball lost in the midfield.